It looks like staying up way past midnight recording videos is a thing for me now. But to be honest, this is the only chance I have to make this video, and this video has to be done. There is no way around. So I hope you stick around. Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Ben here with another video. Thank you very much for tuning in. A little update on my laptop is that it's not looking too good for it. So I have to edit this video again in a really old laptop. The same one that I used to edit the video from last week. I didn't think it came out too bad. So I hope you agree with me. That takes like 3 times the amount of time that will take me with my newer laptop to render a video. So hopefully I can stay with the schedule that I've been working with, releasing videos that once a week. And I hope that doesn't affect the production of videos. And for today's video, I have to make it quick. And all I have to do today is opening the unboxing of this package I received in the mail. This is another frame mail. It came from Renee Cormalis. She is a soap making. She has a soap making channel. She sent me this package, and along with the package, I received some specific instructions with a message that I have to deliver to you, the viewer of this channel. And the number one message is that she doesn't make this soap with the purpose of make any money. She's not a non-profit, and she said that she only make her products to donate for people who really needs them. And she asked me to open these bags and tell all the viewers in this channel, all the viewers of this video, that take some time and see what you have laying around, something that you don't need anymore, and make a point to donate whatever you have to somebody who actually need it, somebody who is in need of things. And if you don't have things, if you don't have physical things around you, just that you can donate, that take some time and donate some of your time to help out with the charities that will be around you, with the volunteer groups that will be around you, because she said there is many people out there in need, and it's very difficult for them. They are going through some hardship, and it is nice when somebody extends you a hand. The other thing that she asked me to do with this soap is to just open it and see who needs soap around here. Go to a restaurant and maybe give one of the bar soap from this bag to the waiter or the waitress, or the person working in the grocery store, or a volunteer, maybe a fireman or a policeman, and give them thanks for everything they do for the community. So I'll open this bag right now and see what she included in here. Let's see. I can smell already the soap that she included here, some bars of soap. I'll put this here. It looks like we have some bar soaps. The size of the bars are kind of like a sample size. It says the handcrafted artisan soap. This one is the strawberry cream soap. I can smell it through the wrap. I can smell it through the wrap, and it smells really good. This one is a black pepper. That's a interesting scent. This full bar soap is the chocolate corn silk. It smells really good too. So in the bag there is a good amount of samples and full bars too. berry orange. Smells really good. And I got here another small bar. This one is lavender basil. Very interesting scent. I'm excited to try it. And as she requested, I think I will go around and find people who is in need, and they will be the lucky to receive some of this soap. And I'm sure they will appreciate it because the smell is really amazing. If you would like to support that Renee YouTube channel, I will make available the link of her channel in the description of this video. So I will appreciate if you also consider to share this video with other people that you may know they have things laying around that they can donate, or if they have time that they can donate. I personally think that is a very important message, and it will be good if we spread it out. So that's all I have for this video. Thank you very much for tuning in, and I hope you come back next week for another video. Like I said, I will try to come out with some ways to edit the video, but I really want to stay with the schedule of video releasing. So until then, stay well. Bye.